Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by creating a 5x5 grid using a single keyword to seed letters. Remove duplicate letters and fill the remaining 25 letter slots. Treat the letter J as I across the whole grid and never include J separately. Write letters row by row so the grid is easy to read when encoding. Use the keyword at the start and then the rest of the alphabet in order. Keep the grid visible while you split your plain text into digraphs. First, prepare the plain text by removing non-letters and converting J to I. Then split the text into digraphs of 2 letters each and insert an X between identical letters. For a final single letter, append an X as a filler to complete the last digraph. Encrypt each digraph by applying 3 rules: same row shift right 1, same column shift down 1, rectangle swap columns. Write the resulting cipher pairs sequentially to form the full ciphertext. To decrypt, reverse the encryption rules and process digraphs in order. For digraphs in the same row, shift each letter 1 position left to recover plain text. For same column digraphs, shift each letter 1 position up to recover original letters. For rectangle digraphs, swap the column positions back to their original letters. After full decryption, remove filler X characters and consider restoring J where context indicates it was originally intended.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.